Yo, good day. This is the fresh start to build a positive lifestyle. Sa morning second step na inyong nakita na akong ginabuhat every morning, every day. Mukha mo, natulog pa. Ako, nabuhi na. Aye. Every morning I have two choices. Stay comfortable or become stronger. Success doesn't start when everything is perfect. It starts the moment you decision to move. Bisag gamay ra ang progress, still progress yapon na siya. Every step I take today is an investment for the person I want to become tomorrow. Some people are waiting for motivation. Ako, gipili na kong disiplina. It's because motivation comes and goes, but discipline keeps you moving. Dili na ako kinahanglan nga mahimong mas maayo kaysa sa uban. Ang akong goal is to become better than the person I was yesterday. So if you are watching this is your reminder. Start where you are. Use what you have. Keep showing up. G. One decision at a time, my good. Your future watching what you do. So kung ikaw nagproblema, ako nagkatawa. Yo, kabila mo. Si JY Hustler. Stay focused. Stay guwapings. Aye.